Another cracked red plastic cup kicked under my heavy boots. Fluorescent headache in the sky, every face a static cruise. I bite my tongue till it tastes like rust, laugh at jokes that never land, scroll my life into a blur so I don't feel my shaking hands. Alone in the crowd, getting lost in all the noise. If someone screams and no one hears, do they even have a voice? I'm drowning in love, but I'm swallowed by the void. If someone screams and no one cares, were they ever really born? Bathroom mirror flickers out, my reflection looks away. Black ink bleeding down my wrist, names I never learned to say. I wear my heartbreak like a badge, pinned through denim, skin and bone. 100 bodies pressed around, still I've never felt this alone. Alone in the crowd, getting lost in all the noise. If someone screams and no one hears, do they even have a voice? I'm drowning